Okay, in essential category, let's talk about develop tool. Don't worry about all of these things. I don't want to explain very complex and mathematical behind them. It's very simple way. It's changing this slider and see what happened in your image, and the way that you like, you can change it. First, we have control light and color of this image, an image that you want. First, you can change the light, you can change exposure. You can see you can control the highlight, the exposure of your image, how much light do you want to see. Smart contrast, you can increase or decrease the contrast between the colors. As you can see, we have more sharp. With a double click, you can back to original. You can control the highlights of image with this slider, or control the shadow, the dark. Let's see, try another image that I think is better. Photo. You can control the highlight or the shadow of your image like this. Go into the edit, develop the shadow part, the dark part. You can control, for example, more, less, or more shadow that you want. You can make your, for example, as you can see, if you could double click it, we have a dark places here. You can make it brighter. Nice. So for light, you can control black and white of your image. As you can see, you can increase or decrease the white part of your image or black. It's very simple. Just slide these sliders and see what happened in your image, and the way that you want, you can change your image. Curves, it's for controlling the curve. You can also right click here and show histogram. You can see the histogram also here. Right click, don't show it. You can control the black and white, red, green, and the blue of your color with these sliders. Nice. You can control the blue part. You can control the green or red. You can revert. Nice. You can control your color of your image with the curve. Here you can change the mode white balance as a shot. You can change the temperature, warmer color or cooler color. You can change the overall color of your image with the tint. You can change saturation, more sature color or washout color. Well, you can change the vibrance of your color here. It's very easy. It's a color. Sharpness, you can make it more blur. You can change the sharpness. But as you can see the difference between color here. Look at here. It's a blur, it's a sharp. You can see more detail on your scene with the sharpness. Or you can change the masking in between them. It's very easy. Double click to bring in them. For example, here, as you can see, these are blur. You can sharpen them a little. Nice. You can see. You can sharpen these details more, and you can see more detail at the far. Like this. Good. They are blurred, they're sharp now, and you can see the edges, everything. Nice. Noise reduction, it's very simple. If you have some noise on your scene like this, you can reduce them. Let's see what happened. Yeah, as you can see, it's blurring some noises and make a softer image for you. This is original, this is with noise reduction. Nice, you can see them. It clean up your image. Or here you can control the color, noise reduction. See what happened. Some flickering of color, it's deleting them. Or boost them, it's double this. This is give more power to luminosity. Nice. Optics. This is with optics you can control the lens distortion. Okay, let's put some other image here. I want to like this. I want to control the lens distortion with this. You can see we have lens distortion in this direction. Or you can go to the edit, the develop, here lens distortion. Now you can correct that distortion with this simple click, or in this direction or in that direction. If our image has vignette, the dark part at the background around, you can devignette it. You can it's give a bright border to your image, deviating your image. The vignette is process that we give a dark border our image. This tool is deleting that for you, or deviating midpoint. It's an optics transform. It's very easy. It's transform is changing the vertical, or as you can see, you can change the vertical of your, actually the changing the dimension of your image. As you can see, it's if your image has dimension distortion, you can change it in this direction or that direction. Interesting. Or with aspect, you can change the transform of your image. It has a transform problems: vertical, horizontal, and aspect. If your image has some distortion, dimension distortion, you can control it with a transform. These tools are very useful here. Okay, this is on develop, and the masking, as I said before, it's controlling the masking in any tool. Control the which part do you want to aspect, which part do you want to give that tool or not. I explained it before. You can refer to the previous lessons.
Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.